Welcome back to the channel, automotive enthusiasts and potential hybrid vehicle buyers. Today we have an absolutely massive piece of news coming straight from the United Kingdom that is going to completely shake up the super mini segment and send shivers down the spines of legacy European automakers. We are talking about the brand new BYD Dolphin G DM-i, a highly anticipated plug-in hybrid hatchback that has officially been confirmed for UK showrooms. If you have been following the aggressive expansion of the Chinese automotive titan BYD, you already know that they do not just enter a new market, they look to completely dominate it through highly competitive pricing, extensive standard equipment, and innovative powertrain technologies. With the arrival of the Dolphin G DM-i, BYD is bringing a first-in-segment powertrain to the old continent, offering a genuine budget-friendly option in a market that has been absolutely starved of affordable plug-in hybrids. The order books are officially open right now, and the very first deliveries are slated for September of this year, giving us plenty of time to dive deep into exactly what makes this subcompact hatchback a guaranteed commercial success and a massive headache for the competition. Let us start by addressing the most headline-grabbing aspect of this new arrival, which is the incredibly aggressive pricing strategy. In a world where the cost of new vehicles seems to be spiraling out of control, BYD is launching the Dolphin G DM-i with a starting price of just £23,990 for the entry-level active trim. This aggressive positioning acts as a massive warning shot across the bows of European mainstays, effectively undercutting established rivals while offering a superior technological package. But BYD is not just bringing one single option to the table. They are providing buyers with a comprehensive lineup consisting of 4 distinct trim levels. Alongside the entry-level active grade, United Kingdom buyers will be able to choose from the Boost, the Comfort, and the range-topping Sport trims, ensuring that there is a perfect configuration for every specific budget and lifestyle requirement. This tiered approach allows the automaker to cast a very wide net, capturing everyone from the ultra-budget-conscious commuter to the buyer who wants all the premium features in a compact footprint.
The true magic of the BYD Dolphin G DM-i, however, lies beneath the sheet metal in its highly advanced proprietary powertrain. The DMI designation stands for Dual Mode Intelligent, and it represents a massive leap forward for plug-in hybrid technology in the B segment. Unlike traditional plug-in hybrids that often rely heavily on their internal combustion engines for primary propulsion, the Dolphin G DM-i is engineered to operate primarily as an electric vehicle. It features a highly efficient gasoline engine that is designed to step in primarily as a generator, kicking in almost imperceptibly to keep the battery pack topped up and provide extended range when needed. This series hybrid approach means you get the smooth, silent, and torquey acceleration of a pure electric vehicle during your daily commute, completely eliminating range anxiety for longer weekend road trips. The vehicle is equipped with a robust front-drive electric motor that delivers punchy performance, perfectly suited for tight urban environments and highway merging alike. When you press the throttle, you get that instantaneous torque delivery that electric vehicle owners have come to love, but you always have the safety net of the internal combustion engine working quietly in the background to generate power when the battery levels drop. To cater to different driving needs, BYD is officially offering the Dolphin G DM-i with 2 distinct battery options. The standard pack provides a solid 7.4 kilowatt-hours of capacity, which is more than enough for the average daily commute on pure electric power. However, for those who want to maximize their zero-emission driving capabilities, there is a long-range specification that boasts a massive 18.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack. This larger battery transforms the pint-sized commuter into a highly capable long-distance machine, drastically reducing trips to the petrol station and lowering overall running costs. Furthermore, it is incredibly important to note the manufacturing strategy behind this specific model. While BYD is undeniably a Chinese powerhouse, the Dolphin G DM-i for the European market is actually being manufactured in Hungary rather than China. This strategic move not only helps bypass certain import tariffs and logistical hurdles, but also demonstrates BYD's long-term commitment to localizing production and embedding itself deeply into the European automotive ecosystem.
It means faster delivery times, better parts availability, and a vehicle that is fine-tuned to the specific tastes and driving conditions of European roads. Despite its highly attractive and budget-friendly price point, the Dolphin G DM-i absolutely refuses to skimp on standard equipment. Even if you opt for the £23,990 active base model, you are treated to a phenomenal array of features that would typically cost thousands of pounds extra on rival vehicles.
The standard kit includes stylish alloy wheels, crisp and bright LED headlights for enhanced nighttime visibility, and automatic air conditioning to keep the cabin perfectly regulated. On the technology front, the entry-level model is generously equipped with built-in satellite navigation, a high-resolution rear-view camera to make tight parking maneuvers an absolute breeze, and a massive 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system that dominates the dashboard. This screen acts as the central command hub for the vehicle, providing intuitive access to media, vehicle settings, and smartphone connectivity. It is a highly responsive interface that mimics the fluidity of a modern tablet. As you move up through the Boost, Comfort, and Sport trims, the level of luxury and technological sophistication only increases. Buyers upgrading to these higher tiers can expect additions such as premium upholstery options, more aggressive exterior styling cues, larger alloy wheels, advanced driver assistance systems, and enhanced audio setups for the true audiophile. The styling of the Dolphin G DM-i also deserves a special mention. It carries over the ocean-inspired design language that BYD has become known for, featuring smooth, aerodynamic lines that not only look fantastic, but also help improve overall efficiency by reducing drag. The B-segment hatchback proportions make it incredibly easy to thread through narrow city streets and squeeze into tight parking spots, yet the clever packaging of the DM-i powertrain ensures that interior passenger space and cargo capacity are not compromised. The cabin is airy and spacious, offering excellent visibility and plenty of headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. In conclusion, the arrival of the BYD Dolphin G DM-i in United Kingdom showrooms marks a significant turning point for the affordable plug-in hybrid market.
By combining a highly efficient and innovative series hybrid powertrain with aggressive pricing, extensive standard features, and localized European manufacturing, BYD has created a subcompact hatchback that is almost impossible to ignore. It is a vehicle designed specifically for a market that demands efficiency, practicality, and value for money without sacrificing modern technology, safety, and comfort. The legacy automakers have officially been put on notice, and the battle for the European B segment is about to get incredibly intense, as consumers realize they no longer have to pay a massive premium to access cutting-edge hybrid technology. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's automotive news update. If you found this deep dive into the new BYD Dolphin informative and exciting, please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more daily updates on the rapidly evolving world of electric and hybrid vehicles. Let us know down in the comments section which of the 4 trim levels you would choose for your daily commute. Drive safe, and we will see you in the next video.